Are you tired of working hard and seeing mediocre earnings from your affiliate marketing efforts? Do you feel like you're not reaching your full potential in this industry? If so, you're not alone. Many affiliate marketers struggle to make a significant income, but it doesn't have to be that way. By implementing these 7 proven tactics, you can unleash your full potential and start earning the income you deserve. Choose the right niche. One of the most crucial steps in affiliate marketing is selecting a profitable niche. It's essential to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has high demand. Research popular trends and products within your chosen niche to ensure there's enough audience interest for profitability. Build trust with your audience. Building trust is key when it comes to successful affiliate marketing. People are more likely to purchase products or services through affiliates they trust and believe in. Provide valuable content, share personal experiences, and recommend only products or services that genuinely benefit your audience. Create high-quality content. Content is king in the world of online marketing, including affiliate marketing. Produce high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your target audience. This will help establish yourself as an authority figure within your niche while attracting organic traffic through search engines. Optimize your website for conversions. A well-designed website optimized for conversions can significantly impact your earnings as an affiliate marketer. Ensure that every aspect of your site, from layout and navigation to call-to-action buttons, is designed with conversion optimization in mind. Utilize social media platforms effectively. Social media platforms offer great opportunities for promoting affiliate products or services directly to interested audiences worldwide. Use these platforms strategically by sharing engaging posts related to the product, service, while incorporating unique referral links into captions or bio sections. This way, you can reach a broader audience and increase your chances of earning more. Leverage email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products or services. Create an email list by offering valuable content or exclusive offers in exchange for contact information. Send regular newsletters, product recommendations, and personalized promotions to keep your audience engaged and increase conversions. Continuously test and optimize. Successful affiliate marketers are always testing different strategies to optimize their earnings. Split test landing pages, ad placements, email subject lines, and other elements to identify what works best for your specific niche and target audience. By implementing these 7 proven tactics into your affiliate marketing strategy, you can unleash your full potential as an affiliate marketer. But why should you follow these tactics? The answer is simple: increased earnings. By choosing the right niche, building trust with your audience, creating high-quality content, optimizing your website for conversions, utilizing social media platforms effectively, email marketing, and continuously testing and optimizing, you'll be well on your way to achieving higher income levels in this industry. Here are some concrete takeaways from each tactic. Choosing the right niche will ensure that there's enough demand for the products or services you're promoting. Building trust with your audience increases the likelihood of them purchasing through your referral links. Creating high-quality content attracts organic traffic while establishing yourself as an authority figure within your niche. Optimizing website design for conversions maximizes the number of visitors who convert into customers. Utilizing social media platforms effectively expands reach while targeting interested audiences directly. Leveraging email marketing nurtures relationships with subscribers while promoting relevant products or services. Continuously testing and optimizing allows you to fine-tune strategies based on data-driven insights. In conclusion, tired of mediocre earnings? Don't settle. Unleash your full potential as an affiliate marketer by implementing these 7 proven tactics. Choose the right niche, build trust with your audience, create high-quality content, optimize your website for conversions, utilize social media platforms effectively, email marketing, and continuously test and optimize. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to earning the income you deserve in the world of affiliate marketing. So why wait? Start implementing these tactics today and watch your earnings soar.